No, go back in. Well, our new sponsor has arrived. Let's tear into it. We have a little bit of a sponsored ship going on right now, and that's with knivesdeals.com. So as you guys know, I am a little bit of an outdoorsy person, so I always carry a pocket knife with me. Always nice and handy, and I had a company reach out to me and say, hey, if we send you some knives, we'll offer your followers and subscribers 10% off for every order and everything like that, if you can do a little bit of a advertisement with us. So that's where it leads us to today. I had them send me a couple pieces. Now this is going to be the first piece that I show you guys, and over the next couple days I will show you various knives and things like that, and they're very great quality. They're very, I like a heavier knife. I would say they definitely reach out to that. As you can tell, this knife is actually, I don't want to say much bigger, but it is definitely a bigger knife, and this one definitely has more weight to it and everything like that. Now it does offer two different styles. Your flick of the back there, and then obviously the safety to keep it closed, or you can do it like a regular one and the flip outwards. I like both features. I don't mind either one of them. It just depends, I guess, what you're doing. Just opening a box, that one seems to work very fine, very nice, or just the natural flick. I'm used to doing that one. But I've used this knife a couple different times. It is actually a pretty sharp knife, everything like that. I definitely have carried this now all day today, and I actually have used it to open up all the other boxes that all the other knives and everything came in. So definitely check those guys out. I will again put their information on the screen. It's knivesdeals.com, and if you type in SendIt Steve, you get 10% off. So definitely check that out and do that. Now let's get into the upload. Whew. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am SendIt Steve, and as you do know, I do have a 2008 Ford F450 sitting on a 6-inch Fabtech lift with 40-inch semi wheels and tires. Now you do also know I have Super Single Zone on the back, but we're swapping them out, and they're actually already swapped out as we speak. Secondly, you do know I have a 99 C5 twin turbo Corvette backed by Huron Speed and Texas Speed and Performance. Both very great companies. Also, East Coast Supercharging is a part of that build as well with their trans and diff brace. But we're not here to talk about that stuff per se unless you are interested. Long story short, before we kick off, the reason why I'm selling the truck or the car, whichever comes first, or I'll even sell them both. I'm not upset at it. I have a bunch of projects coming to the channel if we do sell them both. I'll probably more or less start a build on another truck. I'll probably go out and spend a couple dollars and pick up a newer body style F450 or 350, something along those lines, or who knows. But basically what I want to talk about today is how I kind of got in my predicament that I got in. Now, a bunch of people will sit out there and they'll have their crap to say and everything like that, and I'm okay with it. I'm a human being. I make mistakes. I fail, as everybody is going to do in life. It's part of life. I take chances. That's how I got the name SendIt Steve. I'm pretty much full send anywhere and everywhere I go. It's either going to work, or it's going to fail, or it's going to stay stagnant or stay in the middle. But basically what happened is, if you guys are new to the channel, I was a car dealer for about 4 years. I was partnered up with a car dealership. Everything seemed to be, going great and everything like that, and it started to take a turn for the worse. At that point, I decided, hey, I'm going to make a move. I'm going to branch off to my own. I'm going to be my own person, have my own car dealership, and move forward. So basically what I did was, I still worked with the other car dealership. We're talking about a year and a half ago now at this point. Basically, I found a piece of property that I wanted to lease, and I signed a 6-month lease agreement with them to have a business fully functional within 6 months, or we had to sit back down and renegotiate a contract. When I signed up for the first month, obviously it was a couple $1,000s down and $3,000 a month following that. Not a big deal when you're going into business. You got to take the chance, so I took the risk. After the first and second month, I couldn't even get my signage right. I had a sign made, everything like that. I'm sure you guys don't want me to go into complete detail on everything, but a bunch of things fell through, and it drug the process out longer than the 6 month. I talked to the land leaseholder, and he said, I will give you another month or two. Just please, keep me informed, let me know what's going on, yada, yada, yada. Now, keep in mind, for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, I was paying $3,000 a month for a business that wasn't even open or established. So I lost a good chunk of money. It is what it is. I'm now finally at the point where I have to do something financially to, satisfy that, that loss that I have taken. So it kind of leaves me where I'm at now. Now, I did also take the leap of faith to do full-time. I did take a leap of faith to, start chasing YouTube as kind of a full-time gig. So I also do storm work and things like that. As you guys do know by my videos, I work for a great company out of North Carolina. Everything seems to be great with that. It's just not constant work. It's pretty much part-time work. When a storm hits and towers go down, they call you up, hey, you want to work? I'm in. And unfortunately, since January, I haven't gotten a phone call. But that's not you guys' problem. That's my problem. And that leaves us to why we are here. So at this point, I'm at the point where I need to make a financial decision. To own the Corvette and to own the truck, it's just not financially wise for me. I do want to sell one of those vehicles. I would prefer to sell the Corvette first. As you guys know, it's a 99 C5 twin turbo Corvette. Under 100,000 miles. I think there's 92 on it. The engine that's in it has around 114 or 117,000. Obviously, the heads are, pretty much brand new. They might have 7,000 miles on them now at this point. Turbo kit as well has about, I'd say, 7,000 or 8,000 miles on it. So they're pretty much, great pieces, and they work well with the car. Does have brand new turbos on it. As you guys do know, I went down to North Carolina. The car makes somewhere around 760 wheel horsepower on 9 pounds of boost. I'd love to sell the car, guys. I know this is kind of an awkward platform to bring it with you, or I know it's kind of an awkward platform to, display a car for sale and things like that, but I'm just trying to be as honest with you guys as I can. I would like $12,000 for the car. I will also link my email somewhere in the description below or on the screen at dasfree13@aol.com. Shoot me an email if you're interested, guys. Don't shoot me an email just to talk or anything like that. It's not really a great conversation piece or anything like that. I want serious inquiries only. Like I said, the car has its history and things like that, but it's a solid car, solid platform. As you do know, we put a lot of time and a lot of effort and a lot of money into that car. I have far more than $12,000 into that car. But the second is the F450, guys. I don't want to do it. I will do it if I have to. I would like to get $21,500 for that truck. So $21,500, the F450 could be yours. As you do know, it does have a built trans, built engine, rebuilt engine, built trans, and I believe the turbos were done prior to me getting the truck. Great vehicle. It does run and drive well, as you see it in the storms and everything like that. Just passed PA state inspection. Pretty much that is what it is. Now, I'm not saying that there won't be any more performance vehicles on the channel, guys. As you do know, I do have my 1989 GTA Trans Am that we are going to LS2 swap with our Texas Speed heads and cam, everything like that. So I'm still excited. We still have a project car coming. I do start, I have a collection of parts and everything coming. It's all here. It's all there. And, I hope you guys want to come along for the journey. Now, I do want to get another Corvette in time when the time is right. Unfortunately, as of right now, as you can tell, he's sad, I'm sad. You just got to do what you got to do. Sometimes you got to take a leap sideways or back to progress forward. So don't be scared to fail, guys. It's part of life. It's hard to make this video, but like I said to you guys, I wanted to share my journey on YouTube with you guys, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm down, but I'm not out. So with all that being said, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And tomorrow we're going to take the GMC Sierra out and we're going to go off-roading in the snowstorm with Street Speed 717. As you can tell by some of the clips I put in at the very beginning of the video, we had some fun with the truck, and I'm ready to turbo that truck, guys. I'm not going to lie. So anybody interested, F450 or the Corvette, send me an email. Please, guys, please. I can't, express it enough. Serious inquiries only. I don't want to just answer emails and answer questions to somebody that's not serious or doesn't have the financial means to purchase the car or the truck. Again, like I said, I will sell one or I will sell both. I'm not upset to do either one. I just want to move forward from my debt, you know, and progress. So that's what we're here to do. As you guys know, I do YouTube full time. So let's get it. Let's have fun. Let's move forward, guys. Let's not dwell on it. This isn't over. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next upload. 3, 2, 1, go!